Sprat.
Yeah, man.
Callaloo.
Yeah, man.
You say you have the national dish.
Yeah, man.
Fancy cat in the kitchen.
Yeah, man, take up the cat, man. I want you, man. You know,
That's Sprat.
So everybody know me still when it comes to food already. Fire hide it, never find it. Because I have them nose.
To know where.
All I have to do now is if it tastes good.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah.
But anybody with spoiled fried fish cannot not be with that. Yo.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
What you mean, I could look up? What you mean, I can't look up?
Don't you ask?
Hey, man, there be a glad to see you, you know?
Aye, man.
Yo. Yeah, man, glad to
Simon and
Yeah, Dino.
yeah, my general.
Don't say nothing, man. It's it.
Pick up yourself, man.
Go on, you.
True.
Yeah, I know you.
You see, fancy cat come give you a strength. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah. Simon, great Simon. Fancy see the work and move fast.
Yeah, man, I said I shoot up so quick, I mean. You know?
Man, them a work.
Right.
I put in the
Get up
work,
and
you know.
do your 9 to 5. You know?
Yeah.
Maybe the case and fix for one of those.
Well, I want to know how that. Whosoever.
So that's a job. Smooth down the place and keep on looking.
Yeah. But yeah, I don't.
Yeah, I need some more lessons.
Yeah, so man, Laguna the yard as well. Yeah, man. So the people them really appreciate the past show where you come give you as well to the end.
Respect, but then I know, man, anything a family, you know.
Yeah,
Anything for done a family thing.
straight.
So man, we want to get everybody on one level.
Yeah,
Them know say if a stone drop this up, try to take it up and help.
help
See man?
everybody on the one level.
Need to segregate yourself as a true live up this and cut off ties and everything.
Yeah,
We grew up in the place, you know.
and a whole heap of work yeah man doing at the place too as well too.
All up, yeah.
Yes, me.
We grew up when I was born, we grew up in the place. The opportunity to come over here, so we move on and make use of it. So I'm not to come back to you and say, yeah.
Yeah. The journey have to continue.
Say early that. See, today doing my work, eh?
No, here I said, it's a good name. Cool long
Smell up there.
Yeah, cool
Yeah, cool it down.
The rough part of the work do already.
Okay, but that's a time so no work fast,
Yeah,
yeah.
the rough part of the work do already, so the thing I gradually build away, you see.
Yeah.
Still I get here one room.
Yeah.
My room there, boy?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
God damn, that's all I want.
One room. That's
I mean, I say, now wait for that, you know, for put in the tax and listen and squeeze me off.
Yeah.
But me don't want to chuck it in yet.
Yeah.
I for wait and then so, one of we answer, so And next room can't go there, sir.
Yeah.
I'm glad you mentioned it. Alright, I said nothing more.
Yeah, but them money on the man where we can motivate, make it push more further.
Right.
You see me I say? Go further, like what I tell you. Keen say. It will stop us, sir. See?
Journey continue.
More people are going to get help and see the benefit when it comes out. You see?
That's for real because I mean, the sponsor, the people that will donate a change, that's the way to do.
Yeah.
I got to going to spliff, pack a cigarette.
It will go fun the world.
Bullet are unnecessary, you know.
It will do the work.
Spend your sweat and spend for so much youth more to feed.
Yeah, because the team about 15 are we.
15 person. Everybody in the 15 person them have youth.
That's put in them.
I'm not just come and eyeglass and roll up and spliff every day.
Them put in the work. The man where you say they laugh and attack, them put in the work.
Yeah, every single one.
Like how you just see me, you know, clean. We don't put in my work.
Remember the first time I go up on a site and them say, boy, you can mix Martha. And I say, yeah man, you're a chat boy. And the foreman step on the water, man, I say, no Martha, I say, no, wish I should come It's a normal Martha, like when you mix up
the sun and the gravel in there.
It's alright, there's a hill you work for it. So you have to go up a hill on the flat.
Yes, man.
The man say bring 6 barrels. So me throw some of the barrel about the man say, well, a 6 of that you have to go bring in. You have to double it because my barrel can't, I'm new to it.
Yeah.
So when I see the new to you, spin it over so quick.
Yeah.
The man clear the board already.
Yeah.
See, the work, as we were saying,
No
the work
fast.
look good.
And it's a show, you know, because as I said, I come in and say, boy, should I just build a way where I'm not to come out and also come out of the bar.
To it a bill.
But at the time,
as him come out,
plan it.
Yeah.
so you have to build a way.
Yeah.
First one, the
Gin.
Gin thing, the one that build with a
Bathroom inside.
because him veranda did come out and him have the space there. So him have a room space and a bathroom space so he can
cover up it.
and everything. So him not have to come outside.
I don't know, say, big and serious now. If I use this way, if you never think one way, but then can put another kitchen on the side if I'm a thing. You see me?
Well, gradually it will work.
It will work. Him have to do that now because I mean I only done things so far, yeah?
Yeah.
So you have to get up some back now and try and build the kitchen.
Yeah.
As I say,
so your mouth shine.
We take time, big up all everybody where
We're doing it.
we donate, send them thing. It's like how you that come through now and say, yo, yeah, I be a part of the thing. Right now, we to tell what they see. We know what they hear me. Fancy cat up on the program. I yo, hear me I say. Yo, send out this, that, and it get larger. Who to tell the Prime Minister just with the name one, see what I want to.
You know, you have to. So Prime Minister, here what happened? Come in and them now get no work, so you need to do something for me.
Oh, you sound good.
It sound good. That's it there. But see it, you know.
Yeah,
I see it, man. Say, yo, we want to get to them youth,
Yeah, well, do that thing because
a friend, them say a friend in need, you know.
he's a friend indeed.
Okay, so.
Them now do not angry because me say the people them sister them money now go to a spliff.
No.
A cigarette.
No, it a put the work done.
Give the youth them
The work
something
done.
to do. So at the set time, it a put a change in the youth them pocket.
No man can say, I mean, good life, do this, you know, good life, do that, is
We
it?
don't show which the youth that come from around our game.
Yeah,
You can see, so we can rock it off.
definitely.
So just go and watch out for your fancy cat channel that come.
Yes,
That me I tell you.
Yeah, that's one. Look out for the Fancy Cat channel.
Show me a 18 baby man.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
18 and 19.
Well, one don't know yet still.
Yeah, man, I set the thing, man.
Yeah,
Man, I set the
people.
thing, yeah.
Yeah, me I say people, and just look out for the Fancy Cat channel coming soon.
Definitely.
You see
Channel
me?
dep on the way.
They on the way. How far are they?
They're near
On the runway.
Probably around the corner.
They around the corner. So you know say
It come off fire off already.
yeah.
Come off fire
Sell all of it,
already.
you know things, bro, and a man say go buy a thing.
Yeah. So you know say the journey,
Alright.
the journey will definitely
way.
continue.
Yeah.
Yeah man, fancy cat. Look out feet. And boy that say whoa. And Ali that say don't thief that one there. You see me? Dream team. You see me? One team. You never know. Fancy cat. There in the place. Yes man, the journey no stop. The journey continue.
Hold you.
Oh yeah, Prince.
Yeah, big up all loners, you know. Big up all loners, you know.
Prince that, the man have a youth but him not get it.
Yeah. So now he was not get it yet.
I'm going to tell lie again.
It's straight.
Let's get a youth but him just not get it.
One team. Dream team. One team. One team. Oh. Yeah, I was cheeky so.
Happy birthday to she. Yeah. Now you tell her?
Yeah.
You know who this?
You know, we are professional.
You see that? You see this?
Yeah.
Angel not the ghetto.
Yeah.
Smile.
Not the angel.
Yeah.
Really angel.
Really enjoy.
Jumping address.
Yeah? Oh, Jesus. Hey, name, baby.
Baby.
Name Brian. I'm telling you that normal name.
No.
I took a shot 15. Oh, shot 10.
Oh, God. Why you have to be like that?
No, Russia is that. Take
Russia
that
is.
fight.
Oh, I shot
Yeah.
How to say happy birthday to Brianna?
Yeah.
Yes.
You not sing it yet?
Happy birthday to she. Happy birthday to she. Happy birthday. Everybody else born the 15th? Up to the 9th. Some of them really live here. Some of them keep up with the time through the corona. But from your life, and you know your birthday, you celebrate it. Brianna had 10 today.
Yeah.
You see me? And she grew as an angel.
Sure.
Yeah, you can see it.
She can sing too as well, you know.
Well, you can see
What's a song
it.
for him?
Yeah.
What you know now, what you know now?
What you know, no?
Leave the people alone. Boss enough?
Yeah.
You know straight to man.
Sing now.
It's really shy.
You dirty girl. Come now. Sing now.
Start to tell them if you want.
Dirty man, sing the dirty man.
Dirty man, you know it's wrong. Leave the people picnic them alone.
Pull up!
Pull up, pull up.
Pull up!
I will select it.
Back of the sea.
Yeah.
Shot ball.
Shot
Dirty
ball.
man, leave her alone.
Shit,
10-year-old make she grow up.
shit.
You see me?
Dream team,
The angels, you know, I tell her that she look good.
Yeah.
And she come from out of the ghetto and she's an angel. So, remember, next year, I'm there again. I watch her grow.
I will see our table. Come, baby, we'll see your table. Because we have a little donation for you as well. So you're only fair. Wow.
Hold on, there's a rent sister on the bike here. Yeah, Jay?
I had to bring it from England.
I don't want to know.
It's so short.
No, this is.
Yeah.
Catch my seat are dirty up.
What the matter?
Yeah, again, big enough. You can wear next
What the
year.
matter? Come Tuffy. Come on here,
It's a
so.
rented stuff, huh?
So Bree. At the right time, we come as well. Come, Bree, move here. Come.
I have so much flying invite at this party. Yeah?
You know.
No, but not to them now.
You see him watch it, I think you it up.
We're not there all day.
Well, the mosquito them know.
So you start from early.
Yeah, we're not there all day, so I eat mine from now.
Stop eating.
So Bree. We got a donation for you.
Okay.
Yeah, from Marlene Jenkins
Thank you, Molly.
from Canada.
That's right.
And this is for you to buy candy for your sweetest song. Yeah, honor it. That's $12,000.
So, hold on there.
From No, she's from Canada.
Oh, Canada. Kenya?
No, Canada. The person named Marlene Jenkins and her daughter Kiosha.
So Marlene, your sponsor Angel, blessing her come your way. Look fit in a good smile.
Yeah.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10. That's a 10. Much you forget?
12.
Praise the Lord. 11. Don't
And there's one more again, $2,000 from Sylvia and her 8-year-old daughter Abigail
see it?
from America.
Abigail and who?
Sylvia.
Abigail and Sylvia.
Yeah.
Send 2 more.
Thank you very much, Abigail and Sylvia.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, the more come.
More come.
But jeez.
And she right time I come on her birthday.
You see it?
So this is also from Grace from the UK. $500.
Grace.
Grace.
Do better, man.
Thank you,
We appreciate it still.
Very good.
But listen, man.
And this one is from Mikey.
What is it?
This is from Mikey Junglis from Brooklyn, New York. $1,000.
Michael Jungle, it's up the road.
Yeah,
That's a best sell, Michael.
Brooklyn, New York.
I don't know none of the corona. You know, could I pull another chips still? How much chips in the bite? You know. Like $100, like a $50 pack.
Yeah, well, I know.
Come there, no fever.
Yeah, Brianna, someone tell all the donor them thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
For your
I love
support.
you
Yeah,
so
that's a
much.
video, not me.
Yeah. And where the movie there? Yeah,
All right. And this is Brianna's mother.
Yeah.
I don't have to worry. I'll make sure I keep an eye on her money so she won't buy no bleaching cream with it. Come on.
Have a chew.
I'm printing in, man. I work.
Where in there? Chicken my God.
For the law? You make sure come out and steal up on a picture and take.
So where's the Tuffy? Where's the girls them for the yard? Look at young girls them.
Where Pinky, where?
To them see them here.
Angel,
Angel.
10-year-old, trench town. So I know straight.
Yeah. Many two girls them go around there. Many cool girls them go around there. So
Over and over again. How many times you lie? I know it's pretend. When you say I love you, I need you. Baby girl, it's me and you. I never leave you. All I want is to be happy. No more pain in my knees for you to say. Say your words.
That's my
Just
angel.
say my ears. There's no more hurt.
That's an
And I
angel.
know my word. This time I'm leaving, I'm really leaving, yes, more than an ex, with no more regrets. This time I'm leaving, I'm really leaving.
Let me get a round of applause now. Hey, come on. They say fans is your body now.
Not man, you see me?
Show them the peak. Show them the peak. Yeah.
The pattern.
The new year cut.
The eyes.
Just for come to Bree party. See that new year style. So you see that body, yeah? They're not come yet, alright. So we're gonna hand that netball to them. So that ball is from Mr. and Mrs. G-Rock.
Mr. and Mrs. G-Rock.
Yeah, from the US.
From the US. We appreciate the fact that we can put the money together and send a netball to the young ladies. And so I'm saying 2 more supposed to be able to not have them.
Yeah.
And I get them fresh. We'll present it to who's here.
Yeah.
Congratulations, ladies, and I hope it keep them fun.
And that's Mr. and Mrs. G-Rock from the US.
So thank you.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. G-Rock from the US.
Yeah, God bless you. So we wish you an happy birthday, Bree. Yeah, fancy cat of fun.
I need a fan for the stunner right at the front. And then fly out, enjoy the thing more than
More than you.
I want to jump.
Try the camera, which are this already, innit?
Yeah.
Look at me. Can't be with you. Can't talk with you.
We're now, yeah. Alright.
No, that's it. What the thing there? Social distance.
Yeah.
But we check everybody out here to know we take them temperature.
Yeah.
And spray them on, so that's why them can do this now, get together.
Yeah.
Which is right.
Which is right. So everybody stand. After 3. 1, 2, 3. One team, dream team. Whoa.
Remember, it's a 10-year-old party, so the alcohol is non-alcohol.
Yeah.
We're on a Hennessy and Guinness.
No.
Our table.
Non-alcohol.
Non-alcohol.
Cheers.
Whoa!
One team.
Why you better belly? Like for me.
Low Evan alone. Yeah, low Evan alone.
Come, Casey.
Stand up. Dream team, kids team.
So yeah, so the kids team, dream team.
Say no kids team, dream team.
Dream team.
Oh, cheers.
Alright, enjoy your day, Bree. Thank you.
Alright then.
Yeah man, fancy that deal.
Lots, so I want that big part.
Callaloo.
All the stuff in.
Yeah man.
Callaloo.
What them there, so?
Oh, and Sprat.
What them there, so?
Yeah man.
Callaloo and Sprat.
I know some people stuff come.
Callaloo me a smell.
Yeah man. Smell it.
Sprat.
Yeah man.
Callaloo.
Yeah man.
You say you have the national dish.
Yeah man.
Fancy cat in the kitchen.
Yeah man, take up the cat man, I want you man. You know
That's Sprat.
So everybody know me still when it comes to food already. Fire hide it, never find it. Because I have the nose.
To know where.
All we have to do now is if it tastes good.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah.
That anybody with spoiled fried fish cannot not be good. That, yo. Anybody with spoiled fried fish.
Spoiled fried fish.
Have a problem.
Yeah, right.
All you need a fish and hide.
Yeah, fish and hide.
So if you spoil fried fish, remember, no go on stove.
Yeah.
You shouldn't even eat.
Yeah. couldn't
That's
be.
spoiled fried fish. You shouldn't have
It should be easy.
Yeah, man,
Yes, chef.
Yeah, man, you know, a pretty thing, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, chef.
Yeah, man. Pretty thing, you know, so we have to deal with it, you know, no, I want to wait, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, cause,
See
you know,
there?
thing this,
Where you
you know.
say? Get to national
Yeah,
dish.
fair thing that, you know.
What you mean?
National dish that, you know.
Fair thing.
Yeah, and the rice
From
done
chicken
cook
back
already.
and rice done cook.
Yeah, man, rice ready already.
Oh, this one of the color low.
Yeah, man, see that?
And the fries. And the fries Pratt. Yeah. Where say this Pratt simmer down.
Yeah, man, you see it? You take a proper look on it already, though.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
This Pratt simmer down.
Red, gold, and green in the paper.
Just. Where you say the Rasta color? Red, gold, and green.
Red, gold, and green, you know.
And green.
Yeah, man. Peter.
The man said the Rasta color. So what? He said the rice this now.
Yeah, man. Pre them things for them local party up there, you know.
Mountain.
Yeah, man, so I whole heap of rice, cause 2 times provide, you know, cause she said she has to provide for her, you know.
Yeah. Provide 2 times.
Yeah, man, so.
That almost flow down.
Yeah, man. You see, that's the people watch it. For provide, you know.
Jaja.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
There. Whoa.
Yeah, man, so our thing, them, you know.
Another thing.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
You know.
Jaja.
Dumpling.
Dumpling.
Irish, banana, and look a piece of soft yam. So, man, it's a food, right? Never line up here now, you know.
Alright, then a whole heap of cooking are going with
Yeah, man, I tell you, man, whole heap of cooking, man. Tired, you know.
Yeah.
Cause John, me alone there, I cut up all the color load, that's it, done so late.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, man. So, everything already, you know.
Yeah. Same have whole wheat and cornmeal.
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 I'm enough whole wheat dumpling.
Say another whole wheat, so it's cornmeal. Yeah.
One banana pan it.
One banana. Yeah.
Police!
Javi! Javi, Ashon! Yo, Javi! Yeah, pay a call.
Look nice on the dump and first.
Fancy.
Alright, watch this down. Now get this again.
Get this again.
And I get so much FC.
See there?
You know, feet, the face of people in the ghetto now eat good food.
Yeah.
Banana and grape.
Straight.
I was trying to deep on this, but I have to park it for today.
Juba FC.
In Juba FC. You know how. Dumpling. That's the chef. Whoa. And the whoa.
Hot spot, you know?
I tell to you know.
Jenna.
Vital, yeah. It's vital. You know what you think of? Vital is vital. Italian spikes, you know. The Italian spikes.
Yo, people, I'm telling you something. Keep on saying, yeah, man.
Line up.
Sure.
Go and keep supporting this. The same message with us to the party if you look a girl, 10-year-old, playing jet, straight nose and out, can't sing. I have to put some food in our skin now because the man them just under them work.
Yeah.
Don't need now to go play some football.
Oh. Set up the golem.
Just so you know.
Straight. Set up the golem.
Yeah, man.
Dream boy are going wicked in the real Italian spikes. Jun.
Whoa! One team.
I say I make sure no one team. So one team.
The one you want to? Look who I'm fair I want to.
Yeah.
One team.
So what I mean?
No, I eat that cake again.
Say you take me for foul.
No, all me for take you for food,
Yeah.
man. I have to be blessed. But me I say a fair one. Me never know if I say a she, but sorry. You want me carry back?
Yeah, carry back.
Reverse.
Big enough, mama. See it there.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.